Good morning students. Today we will learn about a topic which is common for both class 9 and class 10. The topic is type of blood cells. This topic we will encounter in class 9 biology chapter tissues. Under the connective tissues we will study blood, as well as in class 10 under the chapter life processes we will learn about this topic in blood under the body fluids and circulation. So without further ado, let's start. So, as we can see, blood cells are basically of three types. Blood cells are also known as blood corpuscles. The term corpuscles refer to a minute particle that is suspended in a solution. As we know, blood has two components. One is the corpuscle, one is the plasma. The plasma part of the blood is the one that is composed of protein and water. And the cellular part, also referred as corpuscles, is made up of primarily three subparts. The one is RBC, WBC and platelets. The term RBC is a short form for red blood cells. The scientific name of red blood cells is also known as erythrocytes. Now please focus. The term erythro means red, cyte means cell. The term cyte refers to cytology or the study of cells. So erythrocyte, red blood cell. The function of red blood cell is it carries oxygen to all the tissues from our body tissues to the capillary and helps in the exchange of gases while maintaining the flow of oxygen from the body to the heart and the heart to the body. Now coming to the WBC. WBC refers to white blood cells. The term white blood cells again scientifically can be called as leukocytes. Leuko refers to as white and as previously we said it, cyte refers to cells. So leukocyte means white blood cells. Next comes platelets or the thrombocytes. Thrombocytes are helpful in the clotting of blood in case of any unforeseen injury or event of the tissues where a blood capillary or a blood vessel undergoes rupture. The thrombocytes have certain chemicals in them which initiate the blood clotting mechanism which helps in the clotting of blood. Now, WBC provides immunity and helps us against the foreign particles in case of defense of the body. If we further classify WBC, we can classify them into two subgroups. One of them is known as granulocytes, the other one is known as agranulocytes. Granulocytes are the cells that contain specific granules. These granules give them a specific function of providing immunity and certain adaptability that helps our body to survive. The term agranulocyte means the cells that does not have these granules. A refers to as absence or devoid of granules. The term agranulocyte here refers that these cells do not have granules and the granules give them a rough appearance, just like we see rough appearance in case of rough endoplasmic reticulum as opposed to smooth endoplasmic reticulum in cells that we have already encountered in the chapter cells. Now, granulocytes are of again three types. Neutral granulocytes called neutrophil, they are neutral in nature. Basal or basic granulocytes known as basophil, and acidic granulocytes known as acidophil or also known as eosinophil. These three maintain a pH barrier in the blood, and as we know, blood is slightly basic. So it is the composition of these three cells that maintains the blood pH barrier, which helps us our body to perform specific functions in a controlled environment and for optimal possibility. Now, agranulocytes are of two types, lymphocytes and monocytes. Lymphocyte and monocyte are primarily linked with killing foreign particles, entrapping any foreign objects that we enter, producing antibodies and initiating the immune response. Immune response can be primary or of secondary nature, which we will discuss in our later lectures. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you and like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.